cutie pies. How are you? You have really done very great in your yellow day activity. First of all, clap for yourself and tap yourself. You have really done great. But I didn't receive the origami which I told to UKG kids to prepare origami. I didn't receive that. I want you to prepare it again. Fine. So, shall we start our day? Yes? Okay. So, shall we start with our Hindi language first? Take out your Hindi book. See, we have done all the swars. Yes? Till aha we have done. Today we will start with Vyanjan. Okay? The letters starting from Ka are called as Vyanjan. Okay? So, this is Ka. Ka se kachua. Ka se kachua. Ka se kalam. Ka se kamal. Once again. Ka se kachua. Ka se kalam. Ka se kamal. There is something written here. Ka se kalam चलाएंगे. क से कलम चलाएंगे, हम अफसर बन जाएंगे. Once again, क से कलम चलाएंगे, हम अफसर बन जाएंगे. So, if you are starting with Vyanjan, doesn't mean that you forget all the swars. I want you to keep repeating all the swars. Addition to that, you start with this Vyanjan. Okay, let's see what we have in our Telugu book. Okay, take out your Telugu book. Even in Telugu we have done with Achulu. Till page number 17 we have done, right? Now we are gonna start with Hallulu. Okay, in Hallulu the first letter is Ka. As if in Hindi we have Ka, the same way in Telugu also we have Ka. Ka, Kaluwa. Ka, Kappa. Ka, Kaluwa. Ka, kappa. We have few more. Ka, kanki. Ka, kalam. Ka, kanda. Ka, kavi. So it is very simple to write. You have to just write S and give a tick on the head. So easy to write, isn't it? While writing, you should say loudly and write. Fine? Okay, take out your English course book. In English, we are learning about blends. You remember? Yes, we have done with SH blends. Yes, now we are gonna start with CH blends. Okay, CH. Okay, see, when the letter C is individual, it makes a sound as Ka. When the H is individual, it makes a sound as H. But when we mix C and H, it makes a sound as Ch. What is that? Ch. Okay. Ch chips, your favorite. Ch chin. Ch chocolates. Ch chain. Ch chair. Ch chase. We have got few more down. Ch chess. Ch cherry. Ch change. Ch cheese. Last one is ch check. Okay. So I want you to read it loudly and you have to write in your notebook twice. Have you written the previous blends? I didn't receive your notebook. I think you have not done the previous blends. SH and this one. Yeah, only SH. I didn't receive your notebook work. I want you to write this one and this one in your notebook. That is page number 42. Write in your notebook twice and share me the video. Let's see what we have in our math book. Okay, take out your math course book. If you remember, last time we have learnt about ascending and descending order. Yes. So, I really like the activities you have done with ascending and descending order. Yes. So, what I want you to do now is take out page number 33. Okay. In page number 33, see we have got arrange the following set of numbers in ascending order. Ascending means what? Increasing order. See, we have got few numbers here, 13, 4, 8, 22, 30 and 2. Right? So, I want you to arrange this here in the star. Yes, increasing order, in increasing order. Okay. And here we have got 5, 12, 3, 7, 21 and 29. Yes. If this one, even this one, I want you to arrange it in an increasing order. Fine. Okay. So, this one I will help you. This one you have to do by yourself. See, in this number, which is the first smallest number? Smallest number is number 2. So, in the first star, you have to write number 2. Okay. Next, we have got what comes after 2? After 2, it's 3. But we don't have 3 here. So, what is the next number? We have got number 4. So, you have to write number 4 here. Okay. Next, we have got after 4, which number comes after 4? 5, 6, 7. We don't have 5, 6, 7. We have got 8 directly. So, you have to write the 8. Then, we have got after 8, which is the next number? The highest number is 13, then 22, then 30. The same way, you have to write it down as well in these circles. 2, 4, 8, 13, 22, 30. Fine. Now, this side we have got 5, 12, 3, 7, 21, 29. Yes. So, you have to write it same increasing order. Start from the down. Here, you will write the first smallest number 3. Then, you will write 7. Then, you will, after 3, you will write 5. Then, you will write 7. Then, you will write 12, 21 and 29. It is smallest to biggest number. The same way, you have to write here. Fine. Now, in the down, you have to arrange the same numbers in an increasing order. The first bit we have done. The second bit I want you to do by yourself. Then turn the page. In next page we have got decreasing order. What is this? Down. Decreasing order. Okay. In decreasing order we write numbers from highest to smallest. Okay. It is down. Getting down the stairs. So we have got 12, 9, 11, 0, 6, 2. Yes. So, because we are coming from up to down, so we will start writing from up. 12, next 11, 9, 6, 2, 0. The highest and the smallest. Okay, even this side. This number is this 23, then 11, 10, 8, 4 and 1. The same way you have to write down. The second bit you have to do by yourself. This is your textbook work. Okay, let's see what we have in our math workbook. Okay, take out your math workbook. Open page number 22. In page number 22, you have got ascending order. You have to complete this ascending order. In page number 23, you have got descending. Ascending and descending. Sit carefully and write it. If you are unable to understand, just give me a WhatsApp or just text me stating that ma'am I didn't understood. I'll repeat the concept for you again. Okay. Once you finish in your workbook, take out your math notebook and keep a heading as ascending order and write few numbers. You can write sequence or you can write randomly. Okay. Write around 5 sets of ascending order and 5 sets of descending order. You can pick any number from 1 to 100 because we have completed 1 to 100 numbers, right? So, I want you to write 5 set of ascending, 5 set of descending order. Write in your notebook and tell Mama to record a video and share it with me. Okay. Take out your EVS course book. See, in our last video session we have done with fruits, right? So, now take out page number 59. What can you see in page number 59? There are colorful veggies. Yes, shall we read the veggies names loudly? Okay. Okay, what is written here? We get vegetables from plants. Vegetables are tasty. They provide us vitamins, minerals and energy. Eat them cooked or raw. We get more of vitamin and more of energy if we eat veggies. You should not show your tantrums. You should not say, I don't like this veggie, I don't like that veggie. Whatever mama prepares, you have to eat. So shall we read out loudly what all veggies are here? Fine. Potato, brinjal, carrot, tomato, lady's finger, bottle gourd, capsicum, beans and pumpkin. So once you finish reading in the EVS course book, I want you to take your EVS workbook. Open page number 17. See, we have got few veggies, whatever we have learnt in the previous, in course book. I want you to keep your course book beside and complete this. We have got tomato, brinjal, bottle gourd, lady's finger, carrot, cabbage, bitter gourd, potato and onion. I want you to write these spellings. Okay, once you complete that, there is a matching. This side we have got full veggie and this side we have got half of its part. Okay, so you have to see and do the matching, and while doing the matching you should say the vegetable name. For example, you are matching this. Where is brinjal? You have to say brinjal. Then it is lady's finger, piece of lady's finger. Potato, piece of a potato. Tomato, piece of tomato. Like this, I want you to do the matching part. Fine. Let's see what you have in your art and craft book. Yeah, in your art and craft book, as I mentioned, I didn't receive this origami from any one of you. I want you to say, if you don't have yellow color sheet, it's okay. You can make it with a white color paper, but I want you to learn how to make this bird. While you are making this bird, first you have to practice. Once you are perfect, then tell mama to record a video and share that video with me. I want you to learn how to make this paper folding activity. Fine? So you have received homework in all the language and all the subjects? Yes? Sit, complete your homework. Tell mama to record a video and share it with me. And also I want you to be perfect with orals, because very soon we are gonna start with our task. Yes, practical task activity. Last time we have done with practical task. So I want you to be perfect with your spellings and recognition of letters, recognition of pictures, recognition of numbers. You have to be perfect with everything so that we complete the practical task very soon. Fine? So be prepared. Okay? Stay at home. Stay safe and be a good student. See you soon in the next video session. Till then, bye-bye. Love you all.